Guys, I'm really sorry we didn't get to our live tonight. We went and had dinner, and I came back in here, and I found Baker dead. She had to have laid on him. He was squished, and we lost him. And I'm so sorry. Poor baby. I can't be with him 24/7. I know I can't, but it hurts so bad to lose him. And they turn 2 weeks old tomorrow. I'm sorry. I don't really have anything else to say. I just needed to tell everybody that's why we didn't get. I was gonna go live tonight, but I just can't. We were up really late or really early. Pebbles spiked a fever last night, and I still don't know why. We were able to get it resolved, but she went up to 104.7, and we were making sure that she was okay, so didn't really get a lot of sleep. And I know it's not an excuse, but he's gone. Say a prayer for him. Oh gosh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Baker.